Hi, today on Bachelor on a Budget, we are making veggie skewers with Beyond sausages. These things are delicious and they're gonna be even better wrapped around a bunch of veggies and put on a barbecue. So I'm looking forward to this. It's gonna be super simple and it's gonna be delicious and not many ingredients. It's gonna be like we're using zucchini, red onion, peppers, some mushrooms, and our Beyond sausages. So let's do it. First thing we need to do is soak our skewers. So if we don't soak them, then you just have the chance of them burning. Just gonna put some water over that and let that wood bamboo skewers soak. Okay, let's start off with our onion. So we're gonna take out the edges here. And I prefer red onion when grilling. And I'm just gonna quarter these. And already I am starting to cry. Then our red pepper. So make sure you wash this, of course. Just removing any seeds. And our zucchini. I'm probably only gonna use half of this. But I am gonna go for fairly thin slices here. 1/3 of an inch. Maybe half an inch. Just taking off the stems of these mushrooms here. I'm gonna cut these into quarters. It's really hard to overcook a mushroom, so it's fine if the mushrooms are a bit smaller because then it'll just cook through longer. Okay, now for our sausages. What do you say, should I go for all 4? All 4 it is. So I'm just gonna carefully slice these. These can fall apart easily, so we don't want that to happen. And why this is gonna be extra delicious is all the fat in this is just gonna kind of absorb into the vegetables and it is gonna be delicious. This is a company I wish I invested in. Maybe I will. Hey, Beyond Meat, if you wanna sponsor me, I'll take shares. Okay, so we're just going for some variety here. So skewer that through and make sure you space them out because yeah, if you put them too close together, they'll just steam and won't cook properly. You girls want to help skewer? No, okay. Voila, we have a done skewer. Okay, we are done skewering. So now I realized I should turn the barbecue on 10 minutes ago, but that's okay because we have the magic of film, so you don't have to worry about waiting. I do. Okay, we're just gonna put some oil on this. So this is gonna be pretty simple. So a couple tablespoons. And then I am going to add a bit of oregano. You can use fresh herbs here as well. And some salt. I got this fancy electric one. And that's it. Now we can get that on the barbecue. We got this on 450, no, 500. So just flip these, make sure they're not burning, and we'll keep rotating these. We want to keep the barbecue closed but not burn them. So some barbecue sauce, completely optional, but I'm gonna put it on about half. We are losing light and these are done, so let's get them off the grill. Well, these look pretty damn good. Voila. Let's give it a taste. That is delicious. Are you guys jealous? I have a couple hungry girls behind me, so, or behind you. So I should probably speed this up, or should I just eat it all? Well, these are delicious. Hope you make them. Thanks for watching. I'd love if you leave a comment down below. Let me know what recipes you'd like to see me make, or if you have any suggestions on vegetables that you want to add to this. I'd love to hear your perspective. And watch some more videos, because, you know, then YouTube will give me some love if you're watching some more stuff. But thanks for watching. Bye for now. These two are recording me and making fun of me.
Thanks for that.
Deserve it.